Well, hello there, YouTubers. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we're going to be looking at this. This is the lead test swabs. And I bought a 1984, I believe, McDonald's Olympics cup. And I'm sure a lot of people have heard of that for the 1984 Olympics. And we're going to test it for lead, and we're going to see if you should be drinking out of a cup that you bought from an antique store. So let's go. Okay, so this is a 1980 Olympic cup?
84.
1984? Okay, so let's do the test. Come forward, Mr. Scientist. So you pull it out.
2 seconds. You just rub on the paint. If it turns like red, then it has lead.
I cannot believe I drank out of that.
It's kind of turning red. Look at the drop. See, it's kind of reddish. Oh, look at that.
So the yellow has the most lead.
Here, let me do the McDonald's logo. Here, 1984 Olympics.
Okay, so now let's go to the light and see how much lead we got in this. That's a lot of lead.
Look, and this is how you know if it's like, this is like no lead, and that's lead detected. So it's like right in the middle.
Wow, that's a lot. I can't believe I drank out of that. This is why you should not drink out of cups that you bought at an antique store. Or if you drank in 1984, you should be worried. One more interesting thing about this cup is that it's made in the USA. USA. Not China, not Mexico, USA. And it's full of lead. Okay, so we have reached the end of this video, so I gave this thing a 5 stars out of 5 because it does the job. So we learned a lot today. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.